wanted to show you the Contiform Pessary that is designed for stress incontinence. This that I'm showing you at the minute is the trial pack. So the trial pack contains 3 different sizes. We've got a small, a medium and a large, and the removal ribbon, which is optional, which you can attach to help get the pessary out. It's designed for active women and for women who have leaks. So if you find out that leaking stops you running, or if you're lifting weights, volleyball, netball, anything that just gives you leaks, this is the pessary for you. And it's a pessary that you control. I call it a day wear pessary, but you can also use it at night, but not during intimacy. So let's start with the smallest one. Here it is, and it's got this little nick in the top there, so that when you're inserting it, the top bit folds down and it folds really small, okay? And then you'll be inserting it, and the long part goes towards the back of the vagina. So the long part here is towards your bum. This is at the front, and you'll be putting that in as high as you can go. You can wear this if you have up to a grade 2 prolapse, but any other prolapses more than that, you might find that space is compromised because of the prolapse, okay? Perfect for stress incontinence. It just puts that bit of pressure between the urethra and the bladder and stops those annoying leaks. So, you know, some women will say to us that they leak when they're walking downstairs, or anything that just causes that pressure on the bladder and they don't have control. Contiform is absolutely brilliant for that. It is made in silicone. So if you need any lubricant to help with the insertion, use a water-based one. You could use our Kegel Miracle Balm, because that's really good. You don't want anything too slippy. Don't put too much lubricant on it, but just enough to make it comfortable for insertion. It's body safe. You can sleep in it if you need to, but this pessary is one that you will control. So makers recommend that to get the right sizing, you start with the small and then see if that stops the leaks and feels comfortable. If it doesn't stop the leaks, then you need to go on to the medium, and then if not, go on to the large. What happens is, as our bodies change, as we age as well, you might find that you're buying the sizing kit and thinking, well, there's 3, I'm only going to use one, the one that's the right size. You might then find, as time goes on, you need to go up a size. One of the things that we also say is this is on the drugs tariff here in the UK. So get the sizing kit, find the size that's right for you, and then if you do want to continue using it, you can get it on prescription through your GP. Ideally, one of these Contiform pessaries will last for 30 uses, or it's a month's worth. Contiform is at Kegel 8, and it's absolutely brilliant. Do try it if you have any stress incontinence leaks and you are an active woman. Get it. It's brilliant.